This is a brand new 2014 Mercedes-Benz E550. This car has a 7-speed automatic transmission, a 4.7-liter V8, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, keyless go, a sunroof, active ventilated front seats, blind spot assist, a low tire pressure indicator, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, a turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, LED headlights, aluminum wheels, and lane keeping assist. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air vents for rear-seated passengers, cruise control, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, a split folding rear seat, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes with ABS, rain-sensing windshield wipers, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.